What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for those people that are new, please like and subscribe because I post videos every week. Today we're going to be talking about LHAMOUR. I have another video that I'm gonna put over here, or over here, is it? I don't even know. And I have, I think, a review of 3 or 4 products from them. And today I'm gonna do another review of 3 more products, or can I say 4? Let's say 4 products. I have been testing these products for a while now, and I still have some that I haven't tried just because I haven't had the chance. But I'll give you a small review, and as always, I'll explain a little bit about the brand and also about the ingredients because, you know, I am a psycho about ingredients. LHAMOUR is a brand from Mongolia, and they do all their products in small batches. They're all handmade and using natural ingredients only. Now, not all of the products are vegan. Some of them use tallow, and I'll explain a little bit about tallow because I know it's a little bit of a controversial ingredient, but after reading about their philosophy and why they use that ingredient in their products, that made perfect sense for me. So the reason why they use tallow is because Mongolia has a nomadic culture. This nomadic culture has a philosophy of not wasting, which is something that I really like, and I can relate to that. And so with that not wasting, when they have an animal that they're going to eat or they're going to use to protect themselves from the harsh weather from the Mongolian ecosystem, they try to use as much of the animal as they can, and that's how they come up with all these different uses for different parts of the animal so that it doesn't go to waste. And that's how they come up and they use the tallow in their products. And after they discovered how effective tallow was to cure basically all like skin irritations and that type of concerns, that's basically how LHAMOUR started using tallow and incorporating it into their products. Moving on, I have the first product to show you guys, and that is the nettle soap. So I had no idea nettle had such amazing properties, has helped my skin with breakouts, and it is just amazing. It feels like my skin is now less oily but not dry, and also it feels like the texture on my skin has improved a lot. And I mean, that's just by the nature of the ingredients used in this soap. Some of the ingredients are coconut oil, olive oil, tallow, nettle oil, nettle extract, and raw nettle. I like to use it in the morning. When I use it at night, when I'm removing my makeup, I find that it doesn't work as well for that. But nobody said it removed makeup. So if you want to use it at night, I think you have to do like a double cleanse. It gets rid of like all the oils and all the greasiness from just like sleeping. I find that it also helps my makeup to look better, like it blends easier and the texture looks way smoother. The next product, or products I should say, is the hand care set, which comes with a hand butter and a hand scrub. You guys know, I think especially now, people are just washing their hands so much, and I found that it was really drying my skin. It has coffee and it's grinded so finely so it doesn't really irritate the skin. It's very soft, and once you rinse it, your skin feels so soft. And I don't even have to tell you, after you put the hand butter, you feel like your hands have just been manicured. The smell of the hand butter has a little bit of like a sweet orange scent. It doesn't leave a greasy feeling at all because you don't need to use much. These live in my counter because sometimes I forget to treat myself, and that way it's more convenient. It takes me 2 minutes at the most and feels very nice. And for this hand care set, these two come together, and the hand butter does contain tallow, but the hand scrub doesn't. So just to keep in mind, I just want to let y'all know the last product that I haven't had a chance to try, these bath bombs. It's been a little bit hot here, so having a bath is not exactly something that I'm looking forward to, but I'm really waiting for winter and fall to enjoy these babies. And again, they have all natural stuff. They all contain like maybe 4 ingredients, so there's no junk, so you don't have to worry. They do smell pretty good though. I haven't really, again, I haven't had the time to use them, or like the weather has not been very helpful with the bath situation, but these smell really good. Smell very clean. These bath bombs don't contain any tallow, so they're entirely vegan. That's it, you guys. I hope you like this review. I'm trying to make the videos shorter. I know I get excited and then my videos turn to be like 15 minutes or longer. I'm trying to get all the juice into a quicker version of my videos, so I hope you guys like this. Please let me know, and I'll be here making more videos for you guys, and I'll see you next week. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That will make me so happy. I think that's it. Thank you guys. Bye.